Hello guys, welcome back to Star's channel. Today I'll be showing you guys all my Blue Peter badges and unboxing a new surprise. So before we get started, we're going to do a like and subscribe button challenge. I dare you guys to click the like and subscribe button with your thumb in 5 seconds. Can you do it? Prove it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Now let's get started. Blue Peter is the longest running children's show. It has ran for 60 years and they're doing a new 6 badges of summer challenge. So the sheet is just here. It has all the badges and how to earn them, and I will be telling you guys how to earn them. But before, let's look at the badges. So the first one is the blue badge. You need to have one of these before applying for the silver badge, which is really shiny and made out of metal. To earn your blue badge, you need to say thank you. And you can do anything. You can make a rainbow, make some biscuits, or even make a thank you jar. So once you've earned this lovely badge, you can go on to earning your silver badge. To earn this, you need to try something new. So if you've never wrote a story, you could try doing that, or try a new sport. To earn the silver badge, you need to do something you've never did before. So if you haven't gone rock climbing, then go rock climbing. Just try something new. This is the fan club badge. To do this, you need to print out the form on the Blue Peter website, and it just says what they need to improve, what you like about them, and what you see on the show, and what you want to see on the show. So they do purple badge specials, and what you ask actually happens on the show, so that's pretty exciting. So the green badge is next, but unfortunately I have broken it, so I sent it back to Blue Peter to get a refund. No, not get a refund. I sent it to Blue Peter to get a new badge, which is not broken. But to do it, you need to do something green. So cut out on plastic bottles, make a bug hotel, anything. Now, this is the music badge. It is designed by Ed Sheeran, and it is like one of the most colourful badges. To do this, you need to try a new instrument. I tried the piano and it's really interesting. Next up, it's the sport badge. This is the latest badge and it's only available during the summer of 2020, and there's a new one which comes out every year. This was actually a competition, and whoever got the best design would actually get theirs made into this. So this was a winner. I haven't got the orange badge. You have to win a competition to do it, but it's very hard because it gets more than 30,000 people who apply, and you need to be in the top 30 to win, so that is really difficult. The orange badge isn't on the 6 badges of summer, and there currently isn't a competition available, so keep watching Blue Peter and you'll see if there's a competition available or not. So this is the Blue Peter badge winner. So this is basically just a card, and you get it if you apply for a Blue Peter badge, and you get to go to attractions for free. And on the other side, as you can see, there's like this flap, and if you open it, it's really difficult because it's quite slippery. Yay, we managed it! Ooh, what's inside? I'm so excited. Oh, it doesn't feel like a badge. No, it doesn't feel like a badge. What's this? Sticker? Weird. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness! I got a signed picture of Richie! Woo! I'm so happy. I got 2 of these Blue Peter stickers as well, which I don't really like. But this is amazing. He actually signed it. Wow. So on the letter it says, "Thank you for your letter. We really like your Go Green acrostic poem." And then I've already been awarded all my badges. So Richie just signed this picture of him and gave it to me, which is way better than the badge. Okay, I love it. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you check out all my other videos, which include gymnastics skills, art, and having fun with my little sister. So thanks for watching. Bye.